Welcome student. Today we study the onion crop which is in paper second. That is the most important commercial and spice crop grown in Maharashtra in a large scale area. So initially onion, the family of onion is Liliaceae. The botanical name is Allium cepa and origin is Middle Asia. So next one is the Nashik district in Maharashtra is the major onion grower district. Major onion grower district. So near about 25% yield. Near about 25% yield of onion bulb is produced in Maharashtra from Nashik region or Nashik district. So Nashik is we also call as a Nashik district is the major onion cultivator district of onion. So then the onion research station is located at Khed Rajgurunagar district Pune. There onion and garlic, these two on this crop research work is done. So this point should be carefully listen or study. Then the pungency in onion is due to allyl propyl disulfide. So this point should be also study for our 1 mark fill in the blanks. Then we study the importance of onion. Onion is the most important commercial crop which is grown as a spice crop in India as well as Maharashtra. Next one is the leaves. Onion leaves bulbs are used as a vegetable purpose. Onion bulbs are the rich source of vitamin B, vitamin C, minerals like calcium and ferrous. Then the onion bulb have a medicine value and it is used manufacturing the medicine against earache. So this point should be carefully listen. Then through the onion bulbs, sauce, ketchup, chutney also prepared, and onion bulbs are dried and that grind into the flour and it is also used for export. Then the onion bulbs during the onion chips are also produced and it is also export. So it gives foreign exchange to our Indian economy and also onion bulbs obtained during the seed production. It is also used for feed of cattle. It is not used for consumption because more pungency in that bulbs available. So these are the importance of onion. Then we should also one point should be written. It gives ready cash to the farmer within a short time. So these are the importance of onion. Then we study the climatic requirement. Basically onion is the temperate climatic crop, but it successfully grown in all types of climatic conditions. It has required cool and dry climate. It has required cool and dry climate for its proper growth. The optimum temperature range is 14th degree Celsius to 16th degree Celsius with 70% humidity is required. Then the rainfall is required near about 750 to 1000 millimeter per year. Then the frost condition is harmful. Frost condition is harmful, so onion bulbs are not developed properly during the frost condition, or attack of pest and disease increase during the frost condition or very low temperature. Then the dry climate is required for the development of onion bulbs. So these are the climatic requirements. Then we study the soil requirement. Soil, it is the well drained, organic, rich in organic matter soils are best suitable. Onion crop required loose and friable soil. So proper selection of soil is important. A level soil, it can be successfully grown in alluvial soil, black cotton soil, loamy soils, and it is grown successfully in this soil. Then the marshy soils, that is the water stagnation soil, we also call. Then the alkaline soils and waterlogging soils are not suitable for onion crop. So these are the important points for onion. So next one is the pH of soil. The pH range is required for onion crop is 5.8 to 6.5, and for the better development of bulbs, for the better development of bulbs, 15.6 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius temperature is important. This point should be also carefully studied in climatic requirement. 15.6 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius temperature is required for the development of onion bulbs. Then we study the varieties of onion. There are different varieties, red color varieties, that is also grown in Kharif season. That is the agrifound light red, agrifound dark red. Number next, Baswant dash 780. Then the Nifad dash 53. These are the varieties for Kharif season crop. And then the varieties suitable for Rabi season crop, that is the Nifad 241, then the Nifad 2071-1, and then Pusa red. These varieties are suitable for Rabi season or winter season. Then the white color varieties, it is known as white color varieties. It is mostly used for medicine purpose. That is the Nifad 5-7-1, Nifad 123-7-1, and Phule Safed. These are the white color varieties. These bulbs are used for medicine purpose. Then the salad varieties are also separate. That is the early grano. It is the yellow color salad variety. So it should be also carefully listen or study. Then we also ask for fill in the blanks. pusa red variety, phule safed variety, and salad variety, early grano in fill in the blanks. So these varieties are also carefully keep in your mind. Then we study the next point, that is the sowing time. Sowing time for bulk purpose onion crop is sown June to July, mostly in the month of July, that is in Kharif season, and during the Rabi season it is grown or it is sown in the month of November. Then we should study the seed rate. It should be asked for our tabular information. Bulk purpose seed rate for onion is 5 to 6 kilogram seeds per hectare, and then the spacing is 15 by 7 centimeter or 22 by 10 centimeter. These points are also asked for our tabular information. Then we study the preparatory tillage or land preparation. What is the preparatory tillage for Kharif season crop? After harvesting of previous crop, land is plowed 2 to 3 times crosswise. Then it is exposed for sunlight, and after that, before the commencement of monsoon rainfall, clods are crushed by operating clod crusher or given 2 to 3 crosswise harrowings, and soil become loose and friable. Then at the time of last harrowing, 25 to 30 tons FYM per hectare mix with soil properly. Onion crop required loose and friable soil, so proper harrowings or clod crushing operation is given timely or carefully. So these are the points for our land preparation. Then the raising of onion seedlings in nursery or nursery management in onion. These questions are also asked for our 2-mark short note nursery management in onion or raising of onion seedlings in nursery. So there is a first point we should also written as onion seeds are very small in size, so it is not directly sown into the field, so that initially in a nursery seedlings are prepared. Then the raised seed beds are prepared 3 to 3.5 foot wide, 10 to 15 centimeter in height, and length is depend upon the slope of soil. Then the fine sand or soil equal part of seed mix to convenience in sowing, and then the seed in for 1 hectare area 5 to 6 kilogram seeds are required. Then after that, while preparation of raised seed beds, proper main and sub-main irrigation canals are open for proper irrigation to the seed bed, and also drainage canals are also open into the field to remove or drain out the excess water during its growth period. Then after that, each seed bed 10 to 15 kilogram FYM mix per seed bed, and it is mixed with soil properly. Then with the help of marker, marking is given near about 10 centimeter apart. Lines are drawn on seed bed and seeds are sown in a line, and then seeds are covered with soil. After that, light irrigation water is given, and then regularly irrigation water is given to the seed beds. Then the seedlings are ready to transplanting within 45 to 60 days, and that time seedlings are attained 10 to 15 centimeter in height. That time it is ready for transplanting. Then we also ask for as a transplanting of onion seedlings into the main field. This point also asks for our 2 marks. So it is carefully listen or study. Number 1, before the transplanting of seedlings are required 45 to 60 days old, and that time is must be attained 10 to 15 centimeter in height. That time it is ready for transplanting. Next one point is the flat beds or ridges are prepared at proper size. When flat beds are used, that time it is 4 feet wide and length is depend upon the slope of soil. And after that, irrigation canals are opened by the use of iron plough. Then the spacing is taken in this method 15th by 7 centimeter row to row and plant to plant. Then the only one seedling is transplanted at each spot, and this method is also applied. In this method, seedlings are also transplanted as a dry method or dry soil or wet soil. When soil is more deep, that time dry method is also used, and when soil is medium to light soil, that time wet method is also used for transplanting of seedlings. Then before the transplanting of seedlings, it is cut. The top shoots or top portion of seedling is also cut, and then seedlings are transplanted. It helps to seedlings are remain erect direction, vertically erect direction, and also reduce the attack of pests and diseases, majorly pests like thrips, to reduce the transmission from nursery to main field. Then while ridge and furrow method is used, that time ridges are prepared at 45 centimeter apart from each other. Then the pre-soaking irrigation is given before the planting. Then the both side of ridge only one seedling is transplanted. Only one seedling is transplanted. Then the spacing is taken 22.5 by 10 centimeter. In this method, bulb size increase than flatbed method. So after that, next sub irrigations are given to the main field. Then the intercultivations. There are weeding and earthing up. These interculture operations are given. It is important that the initially 30 days onion crop is keep weedless to reduce the attack of pest and for establishment of seedlings. So generally 2 to 3 hand weedings are given. First hand weeding is given after 1 month of sowing time. Then the next sub hand weedings are given at the interval of 25 days. Weed excess weed plants during the growth period of onion crop that reduce the yield of onion bulbs. So and it also increase the attack of pests like thrips and second operation is given as a earthing up. This operation is required for majorly when it is planted as a ridge and furrow method. That time light soil support is given to the plant at the time of each hand weeding, and bulbs are covered with soil, and it helps to proper development of bulbs in size. Then we should study the manuring. Manuring of onion. Generally, at the time of plant preparation, 25 to 30 tons FYM per hectare. Mix with soil properly. Then the 50 kilogram nitrogen, 25 kilogram phosphorus, and 50 kilogram potash per hectare is given. Then the application of fertilizer are the half dose of nitrogen and full dose of phosphorus and potash is given at the time of sowing or transplanting, and remaining half dose of nitrogen is applied after the 1 month of transplanting time. Then the care should be taken that the excess use of nitrogenous fertilizer is avoided because it increases the attack of pest, and there is a rotting of onion bulbs during the storage period. So excess use of nitrogenous fertilizer is avoided. Then the irrigation management. Irrigation management, first irrigation is given just before or just after the planting. Second irrigation is given after 3 days of first irrigation, and third irrigation is given after 7 days of transplanting time. Then the next sub irrigations are given at the interval of 10 to 15 days, and total number of irrigations are required 15 to 18th times for onion crop. Then the excess use of irrigation water is avoided because it reduces the or retard the growth of onion seedlings, and it also affect on the onion bulb development. So excess use of water is avoided. During the summer season, irrigation water is given at the interval of 7 to 10 days. These cares are also taken, and during the rainy season, excess water is immediately removed from the field or drain out from the field. Then the before harvesting of 15 days, water is withheld so that onion bulbs are developed properly, and then it is also soil become dry and ready for harvesting. So these points are carefully listen. Remaining other points of onion we study the next video next time. Thank you, student.